Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Pl2303 prolific driver on Windows 11. So open this link I will give in description, and also guys I will give the link for archive. Now here guys you will see this is the version 4.0.8. You can use on Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. Just click here to download. Just click on this link to download as zip file. Now extract this zip file. Click on extract all. Now open this folder, and here guys you will see this setup file. Double click on it. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Click on next. And click on finish. Now exit and restart your system. So this way guys you can install Pl2303 driver on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.